Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money on Neswap using arbitrage. Now for those that don't know what arbitrage is basically selling currency, and in this case cryptocurrency, in different markets, and then use different prices of cryptocurrency in this market to make profit. So basically what you're doing is you buy crypto from a market where the price is very low, and then you sell it at the price where the market is very high. So I just want to tell you guys, this is not a financial advice video. This is just an educational video for you to see how to run arbitrage and make money on a platform called Neswap. So now we're just going to be going to the website right now. The website is called Neswap. So you can just hit that on neswap.com, and then you're going to sign up for an account with Neswap. So when you sign up for an account, you're just going to ask for your username, you're going to be asked for your email address, your password, you're going to confirm your password, you're going to put an upliner code, and then you can put in your email verification code. And I'm going to put in the link to my Neswap, like the link for you to sign up, in the description and also in the pinned comments of this video, so you guys can just click on that and then you can begin creating an account with Neswap. So now I'm going to be signing into my account so I can show you guys the dashboard on Neswap. Okay, so I'm just going to put in a two-factor authentication code. I'm just going to be going to my Google Authenticator account right now, and we're going to be logging into our account. Okay, so now we are logged into our account. You can see that right now this is the dashboard, and you can see this right here. This is what they call the experience reward plan. This is for people that just joined the platform. This is for newcomers. So you can see this event is for newcomers to experience Neswap intelligent trading. So you just need to create a manual order, and then once you complete the manual order, you get 3 to 5 USDT for free. So I'm just going to be showing you guys a quick withdrawal of my funds from this platform. You can see I have 40 USDT in my account right now. You can see when I recharge 40 USDT into my account, I ran a manual trading with 30 USDT, and then this was my return from the manual trading. So for you to withdraw and deposit on the platform, all you have to do is just click on wallet. And then once you're on wallet, you can see right here, you can see the USDT option. So you can see account recharge, and you can see withdraw. Now for you to add money into your account, you're just going to click on account recharge, and then you're going to put the amount you want to recharge into your account. I'm just going to put that as 50, and then you're going to click on top up. And once you click on top up, you're going to be given an address that you can use to deposit USDT directly into your Neswap account. Now I want to believe that most of you guys watching this video already have a cryptocurrency wallet, and basically what you're going to do is from a crypto wallet, you're just going to copy this address right here, and then you're just going to send USDT from whatever wallet you are using into this address. But if you do not have a cryptocurrency wallet, I'm going to put in a link in the pinned comment and also in the description of this video. And what you're going to do with that link is when you click on that, you're going to create a bundle account, and on your bundle account it's basically a very good cryptocurrency wallet, and I always try to recommend this to anyone that wants to get into cryptocurrency. So you can just use that wallet to send. You can just use the wallet to buy cryptocurrency, and then once you have an account with the wallet, you can send it in from that place when you buy with your fiat. That's basically your normal currency, your USD or your Naira. When you buy it on your cryptocurrency exchange, you can send it directly into this address, and then you're going to be credited directly into your Neswap account. So now you can see the withdraw right here for you to withdraw funds from the Neswap account. So I'm just going to click on withdraw, and then when you click on withdraw, I'm just going to put the amount of USDT that I want to withdraw from the platform. So I'm just going to use that as 10, and then I'm going to have to enter a Google verification code. So I'm just going to check that right now. Okay, so 12, and then I'm just going to click on withdraw. Okay, I'm going to have to put in my payment address right now. So I'm going to go to where I saved my payment address. I saved that in my notes. Okay, so this is my USDT TRX address. So I'm just going to input that in, and then I'm going to click on withdraw. Okay, I have a new code for that, and then I'm going to click on withdraw. I can see right there withdraw cash successfully. You can see now I have just 30 USDT left from the 40 USDT I had at the beginning of this video. So I have withdrawn directly into my crypto wallet. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can do manual trading and how you can do auto trading on the platform. Now for you to do this, all you have to do is you're going to click on trading, and then once you click on trading, you can come to the manual mode, and then once you're on the manual mode, you can just leave all this. You can leave the amount blank, and you can see a profit plan for beginners. So you're just gonna select this, like for you to get 3 to 5 USDT for free once you create an account on the platform. And then you're just gonna click on create order, and then your order is going to be running right here. You can see I've done one already. You can see that in my dashboard. I'm going to be showing you guys that in my dashboard. Okay, I'm just going to cancel this. And you can see this right here. I used 30 USDT for manual trading, and you can see I got a return of my 30 USDT plus an extra 3 USDT after I ran a manual order. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to do an auto trading. That's where you go to the auto mode. So when you do that, all you have to do is just come to the auto mode, and then you can see right here, you can see my USDT balance. So I'm just going to put this on USDT, and then you're going to see different profit plans. You can see that the plans range from between 10 days to 240 days, and you can get an estimated return on your investment between 7% and 206%. So I'm just going to be putting an amount right here. I'm going to be putting 30 USDT for auto trading, and then I'm going to let this run for 10 days. You can see that right there. And then what I'm just going to do is I'm going to click on create order, and once you create order, you can see order created successfully. So now you can come downwards, and you can see that my order is currently running here for the next 10 days, and then I'm going to get my return on investment on the 30 USDT that I invested into this platform in the next 10 days. Now those are not the only two ways you can make money through the platform. You don't necessarily need to use the old manual mode or the auto mode. There's one other way you can make money through the platform, and that's through recommendations and referrals. So for you to do that, you have to come right here is recommendations, and then once you're on recommendations, you can see right here you have different levels of referrals, and then you can see your referral code right here. So for you to bring people to the platform, for you to invite people to the platform, all you have to do is just come here and you copy your code. And then once you copy your code, you can share it to your friends, you can share it to your family, and you can share it to people basically that you want to register on the platform. And then once you register people on the platform, you get a bonus for registering people on the platform. So that's all for this video, guys. Like I said before, this video is not a financial advice. This video is just basically an educational video showing you how to make money with Neswap. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video.